Picture the horizon stretching endlessly ahead, asphalt shimmering under a wide sky, and at the center of it all, a machine that doesn't just travel the road, it commands it. This is the 2026 Kenworth W1250 Motorhome, a rolling statement of ambition where long-haul trucking heritage meets luxury motorhome living. From the first glance, it's clear this is not a typical RV. It feels more like a flagship locomotive for the highway, built for those who see the journey itself as the ultimate destination. The exterior presence is unapologetically bold. The long hood, sculpted with classic Kenworth DNA, stretches forward with purpose, while refined aerodynamic touches subtly modernize the silhouette. Polished metal accents catch the light as it moves, and the towering grille feels both industrial and elegant, a reminder that this motorhome is born from commercial-grade engineering. It's the kind of vehicle that makes traffic slow down, not out of necessity, but out of respect. Parked or in motion, the W1250 radiates authority, as if the road naturally belongs to it. Beneath that iconic hood lives the heart of a true workhorse. The engine behavior is calm, deliberate, and immensely confident. There's a deep, reassuring tone when it comes to life, not aggressive, but powerful in a controlled, almost composed way. Acceleration is smooth rather than rushed, delivering steady momentum that feels endless. On open highways, the W1250 settles into a relaxed stride, cruising effortlessly while barely hinting at the immense capability underfoot. It's an experience that feels less like driving and more like guiding a massive, perfectly balanced vessel. What truly sets the ride apart is how composed it feels in real-world conditions. Long stretches of road fade into the background as the suspension absorbs imperfections with surprising grace. Even at speed, the cabin remains stable and quiet, isolating you from wind noise and road vibration. Tight turns and urban maneuvers, often stressful in large motorhomes, feel manageable thanks to precise steering feedback and a driving position that offers commanding visibility. You're always aware of the size, but never intimidated by it. Step inside, and the transformation is immediate. The cabin doesn't just welcome you, it envelops you. Rich materials, soft touch surfaces, and carefully stitched upholstery create an atmosphere closer to a luxury lounge than a vehicle interior. Natural light pours in through expansive windows, making the space feel open and airy despite its solid construction. Every detail feels intentional, from the placement of controls to the subtle ambient lighting that shifts the mood from daytime travel to evening relaxation. Comfort in the W1250 is not an afterthought, it's a philosophy. The driver's seat feels tailored, offering support for hours on end without fatigue. Living spaces are designed to adapt seamlessly to life on the road, with generous seating, thoughtfully arranged storage, and sleeping quarters that feel genuinely restful. Climate control systems quietly maintain the perfect temperature, no matter what conditions await outside, turning extreme heat or cold into little more than scenery. Technology plays a quiet but powerful role throughout the experience. The cockpit blends classic analog inspiration with modern digital displays, giving drivers essential information at a glance without overwhelming the senses. Infotainment systems integrate smoothly, offering navigation, connectivity, and entertainment that feel intuitive rather than distracting. Advanced driver assist features work subtly in the background, enhancing safety and confidence without ever pulling focus from the joy of the drive itself. Life on board feels effortless thanks to smart features designed for extended journeys. Power management systems ensure consistent energy flow whether you're parked off-grid or rolling down the highway. Kitchen and living amenities are built with durability in mind, yet they maintain a refined aesthetic that never feels utilitarian. Everything works together in harmony, creating a space where you can truly live, not just travel. The personality of the 2026 Kenworth W1250 Motorhome is where it truly shines. It's confident without being flashy, luxurious without losing its rugged soul. There's a sense of pride baked into every mile, a reminder that this vehicle is rooted in decades of trucking excellence. Yet it also embraces a new identity, one that values freedom, comfort, and the romance of the open road. Driving it over long distances becomes almost meditative. The steady hum of the engine, the expansive view through the windshield, and the knowledge that your entire world is traveling with you create a rare sense of independence. This is a motorhome for people who don't just want to escape routine, but redefine it entirely. Mornings begin wherever you choose, evenings end under unfamiliar stars, and the road becomes a trusted companion. In the end, The 2026 Kenworth W1250 Motorhome isn't simply about luxury or performance alone. It's about presence, purpose, and possibility. It bridges the gap between industrial strength and refined living, offering an experience that feels both powerful and deeply personal. For enthusiasts who value engineering heritage, for travelers who crave comfort without compromise, and for anyone who believes the road should feel as extraordinary as the destination, the W1250 stands as a bold reminder that some journeys deserve a machine just as remarkable as the adventure itself.